Good morning, hello. This is too hot, I'm going to put this down. It's the first day of school today, which I'm excited about. I will be starting my Masters of Science in Economics today, and I'm studying at Hanken, but funnily enough, my first day will not be at Hanken at all. My only class today is at Aalto University on their Otaniemi campus because I've decided to take a class with them, and I've never been to that campus before, so I'm gonna have to make my way there from central Helsinki, which just means a metro ride. I'm quite excited to go and see it. I haven't been before, like I said, so it's gonna be new, but it is a little ironic that even though it's my first day as a Hanken student, I'm going to Aalto. I have my little Marimekko mug. I made an almond milk like cappuccino, just a coffee thing with my mocha pot, and that's been serving me very well. So far, I've really enjoyed these coffee beans. They're from a brand here in Helsinki, and I can highly recommend them. I bought these beans at Cafe Savi, which is in Kallio, which is a neighborhood in Helsinki. But I've also seen the same beans at 18 grams, which is in Jätkäsaari. Thank you for joining my adventure today. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun, and hopefully it will be a little bit insightful to see what the first day of class is at university in Finland. I only have one class today. It will speed up and get a little bit busier throughout the week and then weeks. So today is fortunately quite chill. But yeah, let's go!
Ruoholahti. Metroasema.
It's a good thing that I got here early because I have literally no idea where I'm supposed to find my classroom. I'm gonna go to the bottom floor just to see if I have better luck there. I found the Department of Economics, but not necessarily where my classroom is, so I better start looking. I just came home from Pilates. I need to take a shower, but I wanted to show you, before I went into Pilates, I went to go look for a button-up shirt. I had been thrifting yesterday, or I'd gone thrifting to look for a nice button-up shirt to wear to campus and any kind of corporate event or something, because I don't have one that fits me well anymore. I left all my button shirts in South Africa because they were too big. But yeah, I just got this slim fit one from Mango. I tried it on and it looked really nice, so I'm happy with it. I'll probably wear it tomorrow. It's probably not gonna fit well because I'm wearing this thick shirt underneath, but let's see. Yeah, I can hardly put it on now, but that's what it looks like. Time to get cozy because it's been a long day already and I just want to take it easy.